Do you know what this is? I did not know what this was. First of all, I walk around and I see this and I go, what is this thing? Is it some sort of an apple? And guess what it is? I didn't
Pomegranate.
know. It's a pomegranate. You think there's enough water in the stream?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. This is a first for this vlog channel. Peeling a pomegranate in a pondless waterfall. I love my job. Oh, they're starting to float away. I love visiting water features at night because it's such a different vibe. It's so magical to see these things at night. Isn't it fun being back and visiting them?
It's incredible. It's been a while.
Okay,
Man, is that... Woo! My taste buds are exploding. Wow, this is a pretty natural backyard.
That was the idea.
There you go, no grass, that's good. This is fantastic. What a gorgeous pondless waterfall. What is it, baby tears here?
Yep.
Wow, look at that, how that just so softens up that whole
It
board.
sort of fills out.
Yeah. Well, I love this boulder right here, Cash.
That was one of the original ones that was sideways over here, and we redid a small little pond that used to be
there
here.
was
a little plastic,
pond. That,
That's what got you started with, is you thought, how do I fix this pond? You know, the little, then you found Cash, and instead of going with a pond, you decided to go with a pondless so you can flip it on, flip it off. This is terrific. So Cash, you got the aqua blocks down here and the pump vault.
down here, and the vault right over
I
here.
see the pump vault right here, hidden below here, where the ducks are.
Small ways up at the top.
Yeah.
So put in some nice large boulders, and just looks really nice with their landscaping. There's a dry creek up above that makes it
Kind of fades into it. So how long ago did you build this water feature?
We built this about 6 years ago.
Okay. What would a pondless waterfall go for today, you know, from Bay Area Aquascapes?
This would be about 15 to 18,000.
So $15,000, you would have this in your backyard, recirculates. How big of a basin do you have down here?
4 by 6.
Okay, so you got the pump. What size pump did you use?
2,000, 4,000.
Okay.
Off the surge.
All right, very nice. How much work is this?
fill it about once a week, and that's about it.
Okay, so you just keep it topped off and let it run, and
Yep.
is it on a timer or do you flip it on or off?
Timer.
So it runs during the day and then shuts off at night, but you got underwater lights in here too, right? Yeah, very nice. So what do you enjoy about this? Is the sound, or
Sound, the look, just
do a lot of birds come here?
there are birds in this tree all the time, and it's too late in the day, but right around your foot there would be bees all over the
Getting water.
getting water. The dry creek was part of the original landscaping job, and Cash worked out real well the way to integrate that with water features.
Yeah, I like that.
It looks like it was just part of the original design.
It does.
If you decide to eat it, I will give you one piece of advice.
Yes, sir.
You can take it or not as you choose.
Okay.
You peel it.
I did not know what this was.
Peel it underwater, unless you want to look like you have chickenpox.
Okay, because it makes you break out.
No.
I walk around and I see this and I go, what is this thing? Is it some sort of an apple? And guess what it is? It's a pomegranate. I don't live in Northern California, where apparently pomegranates come from. I'm supposed to peel this underwater. You learned
Give
something
you an
new.
idea what the inside looks like.
Yeah, I know what. I've seen pomegranates cut. I've never seen them on a tree, a pomegranate tree.
If you don't peel it underwater, all those little pods that you're peeling out break
Okay.
and explode.
Okay.
And spread pomegranate juice.
And that's why it looks like, you know, chicken
That's
pox.
why you look like chickenpox. Do it underwater.
You think there's enough water in the stream?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. This is a first for this vlog channel. Peeling a pomegranate in a pondless waterfall. I love my job. All right. Go all the way to the seeds? What do I do?
All the way to the seed.
Okay. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's red. Stained red.
Looking good.
Oh, they're starting to float away. So just eat them like this, right?
Yep.
That's right.
Just like that.
Man, is that, woo! My taste buds are exploding. Woo! Holy cow. That is literally that's the best tasting pomegranate I've ever had. Right in your backyard. Yep. Cash, have you had one before?
I have, and I'm up for some more. They do spray, don't they?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Isn't that good? Very good. You never know what you're gonna have, which is what I like about my channel. Beautiful pondless waterfall, pomegranate, not bad. Cash French, I'm enjoying my visits with your business.
Excellent.
Well, thank you, sir, for the hospitality. Thank you for the pomegranate. And Cash, once again, another beautiful project, my man. Cash, we're right down the street from your house, right?
That's right.
And what are we checking out?
We're checking out a boulder fountainscape. Installed this 2 years ago, and
look at that.
been good.
Wow, just a small little rivet of water, huh? Onto an aqua basin or onto aqua blocks?
Aqua blocks.
Yeah, this is
vault right here.
Yeah, it's hard to see it, but that is gorgeous. I love the intricate details of it all.
It flows down on both sides.
So look, here's a front yard water feature, and they're all set up for Halloween, it looks like. Now, you know what I love about this?
What's that?
If they didn't know you, they wouldn't have this, right?
Very true. That's very true.
Everybody wants a water feature, they just don't know it yet. Gorgeous job, buddy.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, Cash, we are visiting one of your clients' homes at night, right?
That's correct.
We didn't get here during the day, so now we get to see what a water feature looks like at night with underwater lights.
That's right. Let's take a look.
I can hear it. Let's go check it out. I love the bridge. Every bridge you just have to walk over, and here comes the fish. Look at them. They hear the voices. They hear the footsteps, really. And here they come. Wow, some big fish in here. Look at this. This is probably where they get fed. Look at them over here. What's up, guys? Gorgeous. I love visiting water features at night because it's such a different vibe. It's so magical to see these things at night. Isn't it fun being back and visiting them?
It's incredible. It's been a while.
How long ago did you build this water feature? Tell me about this.
4 years ago we built it, and they had one little small pond. We decided to make a large one here.
Okay, so this was a rebuild.
Rebuilt.
Okay.
And we decided to make a huge stream right next to where they can look down from their house and enjoy the fish, all the way over into the pond over there, which they can enjoy from their patio.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see the rest of this pond. This is huge, buddy. So I love how everything's filled in. Probably a lot since the last time you were here, huh?
It has.
Yeah. So pond, okay, so we got a seating area here. The pond goes all the way around. So this is all new. You just expanded it, right?
Correct.
And there's the door. Walk out, kitchen, walk out the back door, across the natural stone bridge, and look at that seating area. If that doesn't draw you in, I don't know what would. Oh yeah, the little artwork.
We actually installed some underwater cameras in this one as well.
Oh yeah, so he can watch his koi from inside?
That's correct, and he
Okay.
does.
So what's the size of this water feature?
This one is about 6,000 gallons.
Uh-huh.
About a 12 by 14 pond here, 27-foot stream, about 4 foot wide, and this one's a 13 by 15 pond over there, 3 foot deep.
And look at all the fish, just, they go back and forth between the two ponds. I mean, how fun is that?
There's a couple of crawdads in here somewhere as well.
So Cash, how fun is this to come back and visit your customers' ponds?
Exciting, I love it.
Isn't it neat?
It's so great. They're enjoying it from the windows. As they walk by each window, they get to look out and see different little vignettes of this feature.
Spectacular design, buddy. What's so fun for me as the pond guy is to come and see my customers' water features and how they live the aquascape lifestyle. Hey, if you guys like this stuff, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow along so you can see what incredible certified aquascape contractors are doing and more people could learn about living the aquascape lifestyle. I love my job. Great job, Cash.
Thanks, Greg.